Hi, I'm Liz Lin. Today I'm going to wash the cabinet board. You might already see a couple of times, and in my video, it's really, very dirty right now. Particularly after I cleaning the countertop, and it is getting very dirty. So today I'm gonna to clean all of them. And I use my new tool to wash it. If you watched my video, you may guess what that is. A secret weapon. Yes, of course, always win. I just apply the wing on the surface of the board and let it stay for a while, and use my secret weapon to clean it. Yeah, just to get my cloth wet and then apply the wing. Yeah, get it more wet. And usually, if I clean this, I may need to scrub very hard on those dirty places. And now, today I just try, actually, I don't know, and I just try my secret weapon and see if I can save the scrubbing work and to save the energy and time and clean it. I just try, but first apply enough wing on it. Oh, I don't know why there's so much oil here. I can't believe it. It's here. Here is very far from the stove. Oh, lots of oily oil. I just wonder how we get that. Get it wet. Very dirty. I just leave the applied wing on the board for like 30 minutes, and during this time I will just take out my secret weapon, and it needs so much time, 30 minutes, actually 20 minutes to ready up for cleaning it. Let's take the secret weapon.